Hello everyone, I'm Michelle from Taming Little Monsters, and today I'm going to show you how to make a counting carrot sensory bin. For this project you're going to need a large tub, green rainbow rice, craft carrots, an egg carton, green paint, a paintbrush, a black marker and some scissors. The first thing you're going to do is paint your egg carton green. When the paint is dry you're going to cut it in half and number each of the individual egg cups from 1 to 12. I used a dot sticker to write the numbers on so that they would be easier to see, but you can just write the numbers directly onto the egg carton if you prefer. You're also going to need to number each of your carrots. I found that the stickers did not like the glitter on my carrots, so I gave up and just wrote them on with a black marker instead. Next, you're going to make a hole in the top of each egg carton. I did this by making a small cut with the tip of my scissors, and then I used a paintbrush to make the hole large enough for the craft carrots to fit into. Next, grab your tub and fill it with green rainbow rice. If you don't know how to make your own, don't worry, I'll link to the recipe in the description for you. Finally, all you need to do is place your egg cartons and craft carrots on top of the rice. Now your kids will be ready to play and do some counting and number matching. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.